Hi! Hello! Good afternoon! Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Kamusta? Okay, let me start my short talk about the nurse screener. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. Who is the nurse? Basically, the nurse account is owned and managed by a couple who works together to provide the best user experience to screener users. What is a nurse screener? A nurse screener is a stock screener created from inputting customized formula codes into the AmiBroker charting program. The primary use of screener is to provide quantitative stock data in Excel format that the trader could use to spot best stocks to trade. Moving on, what is the history of the nurse screener? Actually, it all started in the second half of 2014. After I attended the seminar and learned technical analysis from Sir Miko Sayo. And since I have a day job, nag-isip ako ng paraan, ng way para mas mapadali ang pag-screen or pag-spots ko ng mga stocks. So, I learned about the AmiBroker program. So, from there, continuous research, nalaman ko kung paano gumamit ng screener ng AmiBroker. Kinostomize ko yung mga formula codes to get the output that I wanted. 2 years ang ginugol ko just to tweak, recheck, improve, and test yung screener. Until magawa ko na yung nakikita nyo na ngayon na nurse screener. So, let me show you how I generate the screener in AmiBroker. So, here it is. So I will pick my special formula code, then I will click explore. So nakikita niyo naman lumalabas ang mga data sa ating screener. More than a minute lang matatapos na yung pag-generate ng result. So let's wait until it finish. (41 seconds remaining. 42 seconds remaining. Okay. So from there, we'll just copy. And we shall paste on our screener for further editing. Yung mga nilalagyan ko mga kulay, yung mga formulation, may nilalagay pa rin ako dyan. Alright? Continuing. What is the backbone of the nurse screener? Ano ba yung pinaka-special sa kanya? Basically, ito yung score ranking system. Whereas, we rank the stocks based on the score we give them. At saan naman nakukuha yung mga score? Saan natin kinukuha yung mga score? Ang score is the sum up of scores ng various indicators and certain parameters that we consider. Eto, tignan nyo, ang simple table na ginawa ko to illustrate yung summation ng score. Sa first column, yung stock code. Sa row naman, yung particular indicator, eto, nakikita nyo? Papalakihin ko. Sa row naman, yung particular indicator or parameters. For example, sa MACD, ang technical rules sa MACD is if the MACD is a value is greater than 0, we will give a score. For example, we will give a score of 3. Kapag less than 0, ang MACD, we will give a negative 3, the score. The following column naman is stochastic. For example, nagkaroon siya ng crossover sa oversold region. So, we will give a score of 2. Kapag naman may crossover siya sa overbought region, we will give a score of negative 2. For example, wala siyang crossover or wala siyang crossover sa oversold or overbought region. So, pwede natin ilagay 0. It all depends sa atin kung ano yung ilalagay natin. It's MA8 and MA15, moving average 8 and moving average 15. For example, ang isang stock, ang price niya is above MA8. So, if above, maglagay tayo ng 2. If below, negative 2. Sa volume, for example, mataas ang volume, we'll give a score of 3. If mababa, 1. If sobrang baba, we'll give a score of negative 2. Sa breakout, for example, nagre-breakout ang FNI, we'll give a score of 4. If hindi nag-breakout, we give a score of 0. And so forth. Sa iba-ibang mga indicators. Sa indicator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kung ano-ano pa. So, from there, we will add the score that we give on various indicators. Yung parameters. We will add that one. For example, ang score dito is 17. Dito is 18. Dito is 19. So, from the score na may, summation of score na kuha natin, pwede nating marank yung isang stock based sa ginawa nating system. Okay? Based on sa final score. So, basically, that is the backbone of the NERSC screener, yung all-score ranking system. So, basically, this is good news for the newbies. Kasi yung score rank na mismo ang magbibigay sa inyo ng idea kung anong best stock to buy. Kung wala pa kayong idea about technical analysis, the score ranking system represents na in totality yung mga best conditions ng technical indicators. Papansin nyo sa high score, FNI for example, for September 26, we look to the right. Puro green, blue, green, mostly green. Okay? Ayan o. Mostly green. So, what does it mean? Naglagay ako ng color coding na green, ibig sabihin favorable yung indicator. Yung rule ng indicator is favorable dun sa particular stock. Kaya yun. So, I color-coded the cells of the screener to give the visual confirmation if okay ba or hindi. Alright? Moving on, I will discuss the components of the NERSC screener. This is the main screener. Ito yung first sheet from the left. Ito yun. Now, how did I arrange this one? Yung mga important information, important data for buy and sell or exit or entry, nilagay ko sa rightmost. Para sa isang tingin lang natin, alam na natin kung saang price magbabuy at kung ano ang cut loss or trading stop at percent risk. Okay? The second one is the score history analysis. This is the one. This is where we check yung mga stocks na nag-improve yung score. Ang assumption natin dito is if a score represents best or worst chart setup based on the number of indicators, yung score, an improving score means improving din yung chart setup. So we put on our watch list those stocks that improves more than 30% of the current score from the previous score. For example, Friday to compare sa Monday. So, yung above 30, hinighlight ko. Tapos nilagay ko dito. Nalagay ako dito sa box ko kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin nating watch list for the following day sa 27. So, gaano ka-effective to? Ulitin ko. An improving score means improving din yung chart setup. Eto, for example, September 23. Yung naka-color yellow pa STI, FNI, FPRMX. Kung mapansin niyo yung post ko nung September 26, nagsitaasan to kasama sa top gainers. So, ganun siya ka-effective. Alright? Continuing, on the next sheet is NFB and NFS. I'll show you. This is the net foreign buying and net foreign selling in unit pesos. Dito naman nakikita ang madalas bilhin o ibenta ng mga foreigners. As per color coding, green means buying and red means selling and orange means no foreign transactions. Also, yung mga columns here, I will just highlight 5 days net buy, 10 days net buy, and so on. Ito yung yung accumulated na transaction ng foreigners for the past 5 days or for the past 10 days. If green, ibig sabihin, ang net niya, buying. If red, ang neto niya is selling. Ang principle dito is to buy where the hot money is. Meaning, bilhin mo ang madalas bilhin ng foreigns or yung nagsisimula pa lang na bilhin ng foreigns. Okay? We go with the flow of money. Alright? I-sort natin by smallest. Kita nyo? Puro mga red. Puro selling yung mga yan. Tignan nyo dito. CNPF. Nag-green, di ba? Today and yesterday. Ibig sabihin, nagsimulang nang bumili yung mga mga foreigners. So, isend sa mga signal na kailangan natin tingnan. Okay? Continuing. Yung legends and guides. Ito po yun. Legends and guides. Dito naman makikita ang explanation ng column headings natin sa main screener. Ito po yun. Yung column headings natin doon sa ating main screener. Yan po yung paliwanag dyan. Alright, continuing. How to maximize the use of the nurse screener for newbies. Alright, we go to the main screener. For newbies, 4 ang most important data na kailangan yung tignan. 4 lang. First is the score ranking. Dito sa column C, score ranking. 37 and above is best. Siyempre, ibig sabihin nito na mataas ang score is favorable score sa various indicators or parameters na consider natin. Pangalawa, yung by-near. Ito yung point ng reversal or point na nag-range na siya doon sa support level ng price. Support level ng price. At yung ilang days since nagkaroon ng trigger ng buy near. Ibig sabihin ng buy near, bumili ka malapit. Okay? Not below, but a little above as much as possible. Mas malapit ang current price sa buy near, the better. Pangatlo, yung situations, yung na sobrang layo ng current price. For example, yung current price ng MRC, yung closing price niya is sobrang layo dun sa buy near niya. So, ang next thing to do is to check the 50-day VWAP, which is ang price doon is 0.18. We will consider the 50-day VWAP value if the closing price is, or the current price is very far dun sa buy near natin, buy near price natin. So, anyone who's asking what is VWAP, this is the price level na concentrated ang transactions for the past 50 days or the past 20 days or the past 10 days. So, we will consider the past 50 days. So, ang rule dito, better to buy just a little above the VWAP. Pang-apat, ang titingnan nyo, newbies, is yung percent risk at yung trailing stop natin. What is the trailing stop? The trailing stop, this is the price, whereas kapag na-hit during intraday or end of day na price, it will trigger us to sell to avoid further loss. So, ito yung depends natin. Alright? Now, in taking profit, newbies, in taking profit, sa nurse version 2, ibibigay ko yung yung mga selling prices. Alright? So, I will repeat for newbies, you need to check that all score rank, the buy near price, yung condition natin dyan, buy near price or 50-day VWAP. Ang pang-apat, yung ating trailing stop at kung high risk ba siya or low risk. So, 4 lang po. Copy. Continuing. How to maximize use for experienced traders. For various kinds of traders, here are my tips to use the screener. For day traders and momentum traders, check the all score ranking. Also, you could also check here the 2 days gain and 5 days gain. So, malalaman mo rito kung sino yung leading, sino yung nangunguna. In 2 days time frame or in 5 days time frame. Kung sino na yung una. So, from here, may kita mo kung ano yung, magkakaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung nangunguna or mabilis yung pagtaas during a short-term basis. Other than that, you need also to check yung breakout. We have this function, we have this column called breakout. Also, yung Kaiser SPY, yung parabolic high risk. Here, parabolic high risk. Alright? Also, the RSI columns. Here. Naglagay ako dyan kung pataas ba, pababa. 2 days, 3 days ago yung RSI natin. This is where you check the increasing RSI values. As we all know, above 50 level, the stock becomes bullish. If above 70, super bullish or overbought. For trend following, check the columns. For trend following traders, you have to check the columns of the moving averages. This is the moving averages. EMA 4, EMA 8, EMA 13, EMA 21, MA20, MA50. I also included the values of the corresponding moving averages. If green, ibig sabihin ang prices nasa taas ng particular moving averages. Also, you could also check the ADX to test the strength of the trend or trending ba talaga siya. And also the Bollinger Band. Alright? So, as traders, you could use also the values of the moving averages to know your trading stops. For sideways naman and bottom pickers ng mga traders, I have this stochastic crossover from oversold region. So, you could easily sort daily time frame, how many days pass since nagkaroon na crossover. Alright, for example here, 00, CAL, PTC, CP, GBC. Also for weekly time frame, I also included. See here. For weekly time frame, you could check on the chart. Coal, GU, ISM, nagkaroon siya ng weekly crossover ng stochastic from oversold region ng weekly time frame. For position traders naman, I created the position planers here, this column. Ito po yun. Bale, this is based on longer period of moving averages. So, what are the longer period moving averages? I consider moving at MA100 and MA200. Okay? So, check this out. This is good for position traders. Ito yung observation ko. Dito nagsimula yung mga high flyers natin. Alright? So, on our conclusion, Turner screener is tested for a number of times that could give 30 to 40% hit rate even in bear markets. Also, this is very effective in spotting short-term performers based on improving score. Also, the screener combines many signals from various gurus trading system. Sabi ng iba, it saves time. Saves your time in scanning stocks. Tamang-tama ito sa mga working, newbies, and experienced traders. So if you still don't have a copy and still not using the nurse screener, you better use now. Happy trading!